Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to live in your own server here on Discord. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first, you want to open your Discord app and then log in your account. And then just go ahead and click on the server. And now, as you can see here at the right side of the server's name, there's a drop down arrow or button. Just go ahead and click on that. And now, as you can see, there's no live server option, right? Because you cannot leave the server because you are the owner of it. So what you want to do is you need to transfer the ownership to the other member. Okay. So to do that, just go ahead and click again on the drop down button here at the right side of the server's name, and then click on server settings. And now here at the lower part, you can see the user management section, and you want to click on members. And then now, as you can see here at the right side of your member's name, there's a three little dots, right? So you just want to click on that. And now here you can see transfer ownership. So just go ahead and click on that and make sure that you toggle this switch on. And then now click transfer ownership. And now once you've done that, you can check again here at the drop down button. You can see the option or the leave server option, right? So now you can just go ahead and leave server and click leave server. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.